We're gonna stand here and make sales. Pick up the phones and make the sales. He says he's gonna sell me so he gets rid of me.
Do subtitles when you speak. Ask me, I'll tell you what he's saying.
Okay.
Look, I'll see what it is. What up, Johnny? He said, sorry for my language.
This is a nice car.
You know what a dip is? You hold here, and your legs are in the air, and you go down and up.
Okay, I think Sarkis can do 5. I think Vic can do anywhere from 30 to 40, and I don't know about me.
It's usually like half push-ups. How many push-ups can you do?
I can probably do maybe 5.
We have to train for RDB Olympics. 1, 2, come on, baby. 3, yes, let's go. 4, yeah. 5 more, let's go. 6, nice. Got more? Yeah, 7.
Woo!
Go. 1, 2, yeah, let's go, you can do it. 3, 4.
Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You don't have a weight.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Going over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. This is so cheating.
Wow.
You're not going all the way down.
No, I am. Daddy! Yeah!
Alright guys, so we have a brand new Toyota Supra right here. It was in an unfortunate accident. The story behind this car, that it was placed on Turo, which is a popular car rental app. So somebody rented it on Turo and subsequently crashed it. I don't know the exact story on how he did it. I think he told me he just wasn't paying attention and he swerved and he hit a car. So originally it was going to go through the driver's insurance, but the driver's insurance did not want to cover this. So it's going to Turo's insurance. Turo, I guess, covers all their rentals, so pretty cool. We have yet to figure out exactly how their service is yet. We just started the claim, so we're gonna see how Turo does with their insurance. But yeah, unfortunately, this Supra is gonna need a new front end, pretty much. A new hood, new light, bumper. The suspension has damage, so it's not driving straight. So everything in this region is gonna have to be changed, so. Poor Supra.
I know, body. You drop.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where did you get this hat from?
I don't want to see. Don't.
No, where did you get the hat from?
From you guys.
You like it?
I like it.
What does it say?
RDS, RDB.
RDS.
RDB.
It definitely does not look like an S in the end.
Give me one more. You have extra.
I mean, it says RDB, not RDS.
What do you mean RDB?
What the hell does RDS stand for?
Robert David. It's a boy. That's mean that, right?
RDS. No, it's repair, design, build. It's not Robert David Boy.
Repair, design?
It's repair, design, build, not Robert David Boy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What are you doing? You have another delivery?
Yeah, delivery, yeah.
You like coming here? You like coming here?
I don't like coming here, see, man.
You don't?
No, I don't.
Why?
You got too much playing. Now you started, okay? What? I know, man. Okay, we'll see you later.
Awesome BMW. This is what the BMW makes. Royce, this. Even the engine, when it works, the sound, it looks like a BMW sound.
Do you like it?
Yeah. The only thing is like this, we're like tall people and fat people inside. It sucks. This is gonna be tough. Oh. Hey, this is wrong. Oh, shit. Get out. Shut up.
Alright, so we have this Morgan in here. You guys know this car. Finding parts for this thing is unbelievable. So it took us almost 2 to 3 months to get parts for this car. We finally got the suspension parts in. So let's get this thing started.
And I really have to piss, bro. Move. Seriously. I don't have anything in my hand. Bro, just run. You can't get all of us, bro.
The only one I'm gonna get out is if he stands where I can see him without a weapon. That stupid thing's coming 90 miles per hour.
Bro, just put your head down and run. You've been hit so many times.
Shot me 3 times already. I have marks on my bag. I just checked.
Okay. Bro, I really have to piss, bro.
I'm gonna throw this.
He's not here. He's outside. Just go.
He's right there. He's right there. So he's sitting down. He's sitting like he's doing homework. Like he's Mr. Belding. Stay by the way.
Bro, just run. Bro.
Thanks, shoes and RDB fresh. Let's tear some off here.
Yeah, I have a quick question.
Yeah, so right now we are in the Trackhawk, Offset's Trackhawk. This thing is a beast. Honestly, this is my first time driving a Trackhawk and it's very fast. It does not feel like an SUV, I can tell you now. Now I see why those guys with the Trackhawk have a lot of fun with them. Not my cup of tea, again, it's a little too much for an SUV. If I wanted something like this, I could get probably like a 2-door, 4-door sports car, whatever. But really dope for what it is. Super fast. This one has an exhaust and an ECU tune, so I think it makes probably around 800, 900 horsepower. We just wrapped it in this matte orange color. Pretty cool color. It's very dull, but it's orange, so brings down the flashiness of orange a little bit, but I feel like it's still super flashy. The Offset wanted something crazy like this. He got it. It's a matte orange Trackhawk. We have some finishing touches to do on it. Right now, we barely finished it. This car was a pain to take apart and put back together. There was so many pieces, moldings, a lot of stuff. Our guys are definitely used to Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, all that stuff, but this car was equally as difficult, I would say. A lot of emblems are missing still because there's so many emblems. Little touching up of the wheels that we did not touch. They're black. They have a little bit of issues, so if you catch that on video or picture, we have to give it little touch-ups, I guess, for him. Got some burgundy interior, pretty cool. Orange on burgundy is not the best combination, but it does the job on the outside, so why not? But yeah, this thing is cool. It's like a little mini drag racing car, to be honest. Pretty quick. Feels faster than it is when I look down the speedo, but honestly, very quick for an SUV. This versus a Urus would be close, honestly. I think I gotta do some more upgrades to the Urus now. Even with the Urus, I've never fishtailed a SUV before, so pretty gnarly, honestly. Faster than a Turbo Z for sure.